Okay, here's our newest car wash video, January 3rd, and let's start out with the word car wash for Matthew. There's car wash, there's 7-Eleven, there's Subway, there's Shell. Alright, there you go, Matt. Up there you see the big Shell sign, you see that up there? Looks like it's gonna rain, huh? Alright, let's go take a look at this car wash. What do you see? Doesn't shake too much while I'm walking. Alright, well, there we got it. Express car wash. See all the nice people getting gasoline over there. Say hi, nice people. Alright. Let's get a frame of the word express car wash. Enter. There we go. Alright, maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe somebody will actually get their car washed. Okay? Alright, let's go see what the lady has to say to us today.
Thank you for using our automatic car wash. Please enter your 5-digit code, deposit money, or insert your card for a wash.
Okay, well, we don't have any of that. Let's go ahead and take a look through the car wash. What do you say? All right, enter the Shell station. Out of the car, good. Here we go. Through the car wash. Matthew. Oh, blam. Oh, blam. Yay, Matthew! Whoa! Yay, Matthew! There we go, yay, Matthew! Alright, Alpine building. Let's walk on the side here. The boring side of the car wash. No, let's not walk there, that's boring. Alright, and here we go. We're going to walk on the outside. Say bye-bye, car wash. We're going to go see Matthew, see how he's doing in the car. We left him all by himself. Yay, Matthew! Yay, Matthew! It's Express Car Wash Matthew! Good job, Matt. Matthew really wanted to go to the car wash today. I forgot. We went to McDonald's and then we came home. I forgot to take you to the car wash, huh, Matthew? I'm sorry. Here we go. We'll take a look at that Express Car Wash while I walk backwards. Alright, and then we'll blam. Shell, Subway, 7-Eleven car wash. And we'll end this video by looking at the Gallagher. See him here. Here's the Matthew. Yeah. Oh, can we see him through the car? Was he in there? Wait a minute, I don't see him. There he is. There's Matthew. Yay, Matthew. Yay, Matthew. You went to the car wash, Matthew. Are you getting out? Oh my gosh, what are you doing? He's actually gonna get out. Folks, this is a rare occurrence. Matthew's getting out. Let's see what he does. Is he actually gonna walk over to the car wash? I think he might be walking over to that car wash. Let's see. Go, Matthew. Don't get too far ahead of me now, Matt. What's that? Wow, Mr. Brave. You've really gotten brave these days, huh? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? You're getting close to the street now. I gotta catch you. Matthew, come here.